Hello guys, hola muchachos, buenos días, buenas tardes, or buenas noches, depending on the time of the day or night that you have chosen to watch this new, exciting Spanish 101 video. The topic for today is los números del 1 al 60, numbers from 1 to 60. It's a very simple topic. We're just going to go through the pronunciation and the vocab for these numbers. I know it's kind of an awkward selection, 1 to 60, but hopefully once we move on you will notice why we choose this range of numbers. And of course, after we learn these, moving on up to 100, which is the objective of Spanish 101, will be a lot easier. Besides, I'm pretty sure that many of you are familiar with more than one of these. So let's start. As you can see, I have organized the numbers in two columns, right? And we move from top to bottom and from left to right. So, uno. Please repeat with me, even if it's awkward to talk to yourself, uh, in front of your computer, but it's important to practice pronunciation. Uno, that's one. Dos, open vowels. Dos, that's two. Tres, that's three. Cuatro, that's four. Cinco, that's five. It's not quinco, it's cinco. Remember that C with I that does the soft sound, right? Cinco. Seis. In my experience, this one gives a little bit of trouble to English speakers. So try to pronounce that E and that E very open and clear. Seis. Next one, same problem, but the other way around. Siete. Siete. Next one, ocho. Next one, nueve. And diez. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Moving on. Once. Again, it's not onque, right? C with E, that's the soft sound. Once. Doce. Trece. Catorce. Quince. Remember how we pronounce the hard k sound with E? We do that QU thing, right? Quince. Dieciséis. Diecisiete. Dieciocho. 19, 20. Okay? And after this, it becomes a lot easier. Look at this. 21. Right? That's just basically 20, and then you attach uno. With the 20, it has this particularity that you say 20 and not 20, right? It has an I instead of an E, right? But still, just sticking them together. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What do you think happens the next one? You already know. We start sticking them together, and this time around there's no weird changes. So you just do the big number first, then you do E. Remember that Y in Spanish, when it's by itself, it sounds E, right? That means and. And then you do the second number, right? Big number first, then y, which means and, then the second number, right? 31, literally 30 and 1. You do the same thing for every single number after this. So 31, 32, 33, and I didn't give you any more examples because you get the hang of it, right? 34, 35, right? Then what's 40? 40 is 40, 40. And then you do the same procedure, 41, 42, and if you want to keep pronouncing them, 43, 44, etc. How about 50? That is 50, 50. Try to pronounce that UE clearly, right? 50. And then 51, 52, etc. How about 60? 60, right? We're not going to go beyond this, but you get the hang of it up until 69, right? It's exactly the same thing. 61, 62. You just combine the big number with E and the second number. Those are the numbers in Spanish from 1 to 60. Los números en español desde el 1 al 60. Gracias, muchachos. Hasta luego.